I understand sometimes in our journey as a young content creator, you might have experienced a situation whereby there's a reduction in our views and watch hour. As a matter of fact, someone reached out to me today. This particular person was having 300 watch hour, but as I speak currently, the watch hour has been reduced to 80. These YouTube streets, it's not funny. Oh. Now, kindly stick to this video and watch this video from the very beginning to the end because one, I'll be telling you the causes of this watch hour. Two, I'll be telling you the possible solution you can apply to your channel to enable you build your content creating legacy. Stick to this video and I'll be right back. So what do you think might be the cause or causes of this reduction in views and watch hour? Now, the first thing we'll be looking forward to as a cause is your sub for sub. Number two, not being active as a content creator. Number three, as a result of shadow ban. Yes, those are the three causes. Now, let's go to the solution. Now, the number one causes we talked about is sub for sub. Now, most of us don't do this sub for sub the right way. Now, don't do this sub for sub at the same time. Do you get the logic? Don't do this sub for sub at the same time. Now, reach an agreement with this person. Either this person do first or you do first. Either which way, after one person do, give a timing, give a space in the timing. You can wait for like 30 minutes to 1 hour before the next person will start. But that way, when you start and you finish your sub for sub, YouTube will not detect your activities as a spam. And at the end of the day, your sub for sub will count for you. Now, there's a particular part in this sub for sub. For those who are having 5 accounts, 10 accounts to do sub for sub, most of us might observe in a situation whereby after doing 5 accounts with this person, your own sub will be reduced, which will affect your views and watch hour. And at the end of the day, you start blaming the second person that this person is a bad person, he went back to unsub you and the rest, this, that. But no, the problem could be you or could be that person. Now, the secret is for those of us or some of us who is having only one device to do your sub for sub. I'm sorry. In as much as you meet 100 people and you do sub for sub, 5 sub, 10 sub with them, you will never get any sub because you are using only one device. And the next person is using two devices, a phone and a laptop, or some a phone and an iPad, or some a phone and one or two phones. That particular person will do sub for sub with you as a person using one phone. But at the end of the day, your own sub will not count, but your other person's sub will count. Why? It's simply because you as a person you're using only one phone, only one device. Now, what is the problem? Now, when you do your first sub for sub, you switch to another channel that you have. You do the sub for sub. You switch to the third channel, you do your sub for sub. My brothers, my sisters, it is very, very wrong. Now, let me tell you the possible secret to do this. Even if you're having only one device, the secret is as long as you have the YouTube app on your phone, it has detected the IP address of your phone. Yes. And YouTube algorithm expects, one channel with one IP, another channel with a different IP address of your phone, I mean. Now, When YouTube now sees that different channels is coming up for one the same IP, one device, YouTube algorithm sees it as a spam, and that's why your views and subscribers will never count. As a matter of fact, it will affect your watch hour terribly. Now, the solution to this is when you are doing this sub for sub, you do the first one. You relax for like 5 or 10 minutes. Now you switch your accounts for those who are having one particular device. So you switch the second account. Now, when you switch, don't just go straight to that person's channel. Watch other people's contents. Yes, watch other people's contents. As a better benefit, watch shorts, people's shorts. Yes. By the time you watch one, two, three, four short, five short videos, you can now switch to the person's content and watch. When you watch, then you subscribe. Now, some of us don't even know how to even do this sub for sub. Now, when you watch that person's video, the first thing you need to do is to click on the like, then comment. Give a comment that relates to the person's content, not just saying thanks for sharing this and no. Give a comment that relates to the person's content. And by that way, YouTube algorithm won't see this as a spam. Oh yes. And at the end of the day, by the time you end up doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub this way for the person and the person do for you, you'll be happy at the end of the day because your sub will count, the person's sub also counts. Now, number two cause, which I said, is inconsistency. Now, as a content creator, you need to be consistent in your channel. How? By uploading, videos all the time. Because one, the moment you start your content creating channel and you upload your first video, YouTube algorithm take notes of that particular time you upload it. Now, for you to build a good legacy as a content creator, you need to be consistent and post on that particular time or in that particular time you post. If it is Monday, 6 p.m., post 6 p.m. If it is Tuesday, 5 p.m., post 5 p.m. Just fathom, discover a particular days and the particular days of the week and the time you feel, very free to, do your work as a content creator. Please take note of that particular time and, utilize it well. Upload your videos. Upload. By the time you do this, YouTube algorithm will detect that one, you are an active person, which means your channel is active. And by that way, YouTube algorithm will see your channel as a companion. So when you upload, the algorithm will, come to your channel and review your channel. And also, when you upload, please don't publish it at the same time. Like I said, when you upload, don't publish that video at the same time. You need to leave that video for a space of 24 hours for the YouTube algorithm, to scan and review your channel so as to know the right audience to push or recommend your channel to. Yes. Now, number three, not putting the right measures in place. Now, what does this mean? Now, there's there's a secret potential settings in your YouTube studio that you need to put in place while uploading your content or uploading your video. Now, first thing first, your title. Make sure you have a catching title. Most of us will just create video and put the title that will feel best suit the video. No, it's not just about you this time around. It's about your audience. So you need to give your audience what they want. Yes. Now, how do you search for titles that relate to your own content? And when you upload your video, it goes up. One, by copy and paste. Yes, copy and paste. Now, what is copy and paste? Now, how do you apply copy and paste? Just go to your YouTube channel. A particular title you intend to create. I mean the YouTube app. A particular title you tend to create, just put it in the search area and click. Now, you discover that the content you tend to create, my sister, my brother, so many people have created it in the past. So there is nothing that is new that you create as a content creator that will be new new in the content creating system in YouTube. Now, when you put this title and you click on the search, it will bring out content that are related to the title you're searching for. Now, how do you do it? Look for the one with the highest view. Yes, highest view. You take note of that one. Secondly, look for the recency. The recency. What I mean is the timing. You might see a video that has been uploaded 5 years ago. Please forget that one. Some uploaded 2 years ago. Please, you try to look for the recent ones because there might be some certain change in YouTube. So try to look for the recent ones and just copy the title, copy the description, and take note of how the thumbnail is being designed and arranged. Now come to your own channel, copy the same title to your channel and add few things to make it different from that person's own. The description that you copied, also paste it in your own channel and add little things to make it different from your own. Are you getting me? And one other mistake that we all content creators do is when you scroll down to your settings, there's a particular place called location. Some of us do put the country where you came from. As a matter of fact, some of us do put US, Canada. My brothers, my sisters, you're very wrong because YouTube algorithm will limit your recommendation, will limit your view to that particular area. So don't put any location in that particular section. No, don't put at all. Just leave it blank so that the YouTube algorithm, after reviewing your channel, then can now promote it to the general audience, to the world in general. Those who find your thumbnail, your video attractive, will click on your channel, will click on your video, and then view it. And by that way, you discover that you start getting views, you start getting subscribers. The most amazing thing is your watch hour alone will be increasing massively. Yes, will be increasing what massively. So guys, we need to put all these measures in place. Now, there's a particular part we all content creators seems to overlook, which is the subtitle. Yes, subtitle, end screen, and cards. Now, in the subtitle is there when you're uploading your video. It says that subtitle this content to enable you have better views. It's always there. Now, most of us we don't even subtitle our video. Yes, please try to subtitle your video because, as a matter of fact, not every country that they speak English. They don't speak English in some countries. For example, in France, it's French, and some other countries as well. Now, how do I know this? Now, I watched somebody's video. As a matter of fact, this person reached out to me that we should do sub for sub. I said, okay. Only for me to watch this person's content. This person was actually using a laptop. The person snapped and sent. After sending, I checked it. I discovered that everything this person was, everything I wrote in my title, in my description, it was in Arabic. Arabic. Why? Simply because I was able to subtitle my video. I subtitled this video to different countries. Oh yes. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to subtitle your video into different countries' language. And by that way, it will enable you get more views. Yes. Now, this person's was seeing my video in Arabic form. Everything I was writing is in Arabic form. I was happy because YouTube, they are doing their job. Yes, they are really, really doing their job. Now, you need to put all these settings in place so as to enable you get views and watch hour. And by the end of the day, in no time, you get monetized. Even if you're monetized, most of us still don't take these settings, serious. Put them in place. Just discover that you just upload one video one night, you wake up the next morning, you already seen 2 million views. How does that feel? Very sweet, right? So guys, put these particular three things in place and you see your channel grow. So guys, I hope what we discuss might be of great impact to you. So please kindly subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to always get notified anytime I drop a new video. And I'll see you in my next video.